So the Ashtavakra says, you are not the earth, you are not the water, you are not the fire, you are not the air, and you are not the space. And for liberation, know yourself as a conscious witness of these. Yeah. So he's still replying in the context of liberation, because the devotee asks, how can I be liberated? So the Ashtavakra is saying, uh, replying in two parts. One, he is saying like what you are not made out of these five gross elements. And the second part, you are the conscious witness of these. Yeah. And here Ashtavakra is saying more in the fundamental sense, in the more fundamental way of like everything in the universe is made out of these five elements, including your body. Yeah. So anything that is made out of these five elements, you are the conscious witness of that. And to understand more clearly, let's assume for a while that we don't have any thoughts and emotion. Let's just remove this, block of thoughts and emotion, right? Just remove this process in ourself, which is basically made out of thoughts and emotions. Yeah, and then try to understand what exactly he means. So he's saying, you are not the earth, water, fire, air, and space, and everything is made out of these five elements, right? And if you notice, the entire nature is in a way is a different manifestation, right? And in that sense, there is no difference between this bottle or Burj Khalifa, any big building, right? Both are basically the earth element, or your body, right? Everything is basically earth element. In the same way, the water is a water, right? There is another element which is the water, and the same with the air and the space and all these things, right? So in that sense, in that fundamental sense, if you don't have these thoughts and emotion, you will see there are these different elements, and they are what they are basically, right? They keep changing, keep manifesting in different ways, but fundamentally these are the five elements that are there, right? Like a Lego box, right? It just builds something else and then dissolve, then build something else, then dissolve. And what Ashtavakra is saying, you are none of these, right? Anything which has these five elements has nothing to do with you. Here what he means is like that, right? So anything which has made out of these five elements, I don't have this confusion with the external world. Like for example, I know that I'm not the camera. Basically camera is made out of the earth element, but I am not the camera, right? There's not even a doubt about this. This is very clear in terms of my understanding. But my body is also made out of the earth element. It is feeding on the earth element, and it is growing, and it is just following the same thing that everything else in the nature is following, almost like a tree, right? But here I have a confusion that I am the body, right? Somehow my attachment with the body is there, right? And Ashtavakra here is very clear that you are not any kind of these five gross elements. Yeah. And it can be more clear if you can just remove thoughts and emotion, and you see like, wow, things are just things. And these five elements are being interacting with different in a different ways and being manifested in different ways. And then he says, you are the conscious witness of it. And for the liberation, know that you are the conscious witness of it. And this is interesting that he's saying you are the conscious witness. That very definition, by very definition, what he means is you are separate, you are different from this, right? You're different from these five elements, right? Whatever you are witnessing, and you're conscious, and you're different from these five elements. That is very interesting. So what is the conscious? We know the awareness, right? Awareness is not made out of these five elements, right? Awareness is very different. Awareness has it is not made out of earth, fire, water, air, space, anything like that. It's a very different element altogether. It's a very different substance altogether than all these five elements, right? So he's pointing out there, he's saying you are the conscious, and then he says you are the witness. He's combining these two words, conscious and witness, right? And the witness is more like somebody who is unaffected by what is going on, right? Somebody who is not involved in what is going on. For example, the cars are passing in front of me. I am a witness of those cars, right? I'm not involved in whatever is going on with that car, right? The same way he's saying you are the witness of these five elements. There is no involvement of you. There is no involvement of the consciousness with these five elements. And here again, the consciousness, just like we saw, like earth is earth element, whether it's a bottle or whether it's a building, earth is earth element. In the same way, he is talking on more fundamental universal level. He is saying the consciousness is consciousness, right? Again, this is a substance kind of level he's talking about, right? Five element, and here's the sixth element, awareness, consciousness, whatever you want to call it. And this sixth element is universal again, and this is now the observer, this is now the witness, right? And it is completely unaffected by what happens to these five elements. Now the effect is happening, the thoughts and emotions are happening, all of them because of the root cause of ignorance. But again, we just want to remove this block for now, and just like a pure consciousness, pure awareness, who is witnessing the change in these five elements, right? So this is where he's pointing out that for liberation, you know that you are just the witness, conscious witness of all these phenomena, right? And if you are conscious witness, then it doesn't really matter what goes on outside, right? In terms of your involvement with those things, right? So it doesn't really matter what goes on outside with these five different elements if you are the separate element and you are the witness, right? So this is where the Ashtavakra is pointing out in this verse. Five different elements manifesting in different ways, separate consciousness who is the witness of all these things.